was a big bang. Like I heard like two big bangs. Sound like an explosion.
With all its wheels lifted off the ground, a crane is now in the air, leaning against a building after it toppled over onto a construction site. Artie Piccinini says his whole house shook, so he came running out and wasn't surprised at what he saw.
Last couple days, I've seen these guys picking up steel, and the truck was rocking. This week, I looked a couple times, and I was telling people in the street, walk on this side, the I-beams. The guy was lifting like 3 I-beams at a time, so crazy.
Those are counterweights to the crane.
It happened at around 8:30 Friday morning, and the FDNY says there are no injuries.
We had members from different buildings going on top of rooftops. We had a towel ladder bucket up, so we had an aerial view of all sides, and we were pretty confident we did our due diligence to make sure nobody was in the building right now.
The mosque on the block has Jummah. Its weekly prayer services on Friday.
God saved us.
When the mosque lets out, dozens of worshipers are on the sidewalk, but the accident happened hours earlier.
We feel for our neighbor, but at the same time, they have to be more careful.
Totally unsafe. Those guys worked this whole week. I watched them.
Back here live where you can see crews are now securing that truck. Now, the Department of Buildings says an early investigation reveals that the boom truck was trying to set up a column behind the site when it tipped over. It also damaged a roof's building behind it. Now, DOB records show that this address has had multiple violations and complaints come in. Right now, there is no timeline as to when this will be removed.